How to change your TikTok region, country location on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your TikTok region, and let's begin. So first, open up your TikTok. Go to your profile on the bottom right. After that, tap on the three lines on the top right. Go to settings and privacy. After you're there, you'll need to go to privacy. Now, since you are on iOS, that is iPhone, you won't be having the option to change your TikTok region or location services. So if you were on Android, you would get an option that would say location services, but it's not available for your iPhones. So what we'll do here is we'll go back and go to settings. Now under settings, go to general, and under general, you need to scroll down till you see region and languages. Tap on it. Now here what we'll need to do is change the region for our entire iPhone. So just go to region and change it to whichever you want. Now this is because TikTok understands your location and your region directly from your iPhone, and you cannot set it up directly from your app. So that is how you change your region on your TikTok on your iPhone. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.